we switch on the heating, we put a piece of butter, we clean the garlic. The butter has melted, put another piece just in case. Now I crush the garlic. You can use as much garlic as you like, but few cloves, 3-4 will be enough. I like more garlic and I put a little bit more. I fry the garlic just for 1 minute to get slightly browning. Then I add the washed spinach. This is 250 grams. This is made to be steamed. I put a little bit of salt and I cover. They will steam with themselves. Reduce the fire in medium, very low, because they have to cook with steam very slowly. In a different fry pan I put a piece of butter and I will cut 1 small onion. Finely cut the onion and I put in the butter. And I start cutting the mushroom. I put this mushroom, but you can use anything you like, any mushroom of your taste. I finally cut the mushroom, onion I have slightly fried, and I add around 200 grams of mushroom and let them cook. Now I pick up dry tomato and I cut in small pieces. You can add as much again you like, personal taste. If you like more dry tomato you put more, if you like less you put less, but around 50 grams should be enough. I mix a little bit the mushroom with onion, they start baking together. Once they have just start cooking, I'm going to add the dry tomato and they will cook together. You can see the spinach start steaming. I just mix a little bit. They are almost ready. Now I just mix, cover again and switch off the fire. They will be steaming slowly until the mushroom will be ready. I add a little bit of salt in the mushroom. Mushroom are almost ready, as you can see. Spinach are steamed. Now I will take out the sauce. You drain the excess sauce and I mix with the mushroom. I mix everything together and I involve. And you have the spinach with mushroom, dry tomato. As you can see, this is a quick and easy vegetarian recipe. If you want, instead of butter you can use oil at your taste. Enjoy your meal.